What is up guys, Tiny this side. In this video, I'm going to show you how to shorten your Google Forms link. So let's get started. So first off, head over to Google or any browser and then in the search bar type in Google Forms. After that, you will see this link of Google Forms. Click on this link and after that, you will be redirected to the Google Forms website. So from here, if you already have a form, you can choose it or you can create a new blank form. So now after opening the form, you can set up the form title, the questions, and when you are done creating the form, on the right side, you will see the copy responder link. But remember guys, to shorten the Google form link, the form must be published. So you need to publish it first and after that, when the form is published, you need to click on copy responder link. And from here, you can see the checkbox of shorten URL. Click on this and then the URL will be shortened. And from here, you can copy the shortened URL and you can paste it anywhere you would like. So this is how you can shorten Google Forms link. And that was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.